KG as he throws down the two-hand dunk. Look at the players standing there saluting one of their present stars.
You know, right in front of me we have, they're actually asking for one more free dunk. And if the crowd does try to, you know, they're trying to convince him to give out another one. And here's a free one because it is the All-Star Weekend. Here's another one, ladies and gentlemen. Nino KG Canaleta, our 2005 Slam Dunk champion.
Well, he has definitely stole the show here today.
You know, even Kevin Garnett would be proud.
I mean, KG throws the ball down with force. He brings the ball behind his head. He can glide to the basket. He can go off of 2 feet. Look at that. I mean, he can compete in the NBA dunk contest.
And the flair, Coach Norman. Look at where his feet are. It's way out there, and he glides. He glides like no one I've ever seen.
What a day for KG. What a show he has put on for the fans here in Lawag.
You know, the people here in Lawag, Coach Norman, they've filled up this Coliseum, and every time the replays of his dunks are up in our big board, you know, you just hear the oohs and ahs.
And you can bet the management of Air 21, they're quite happy right now with the show that KG has put on today.
You know, with a name like KG Canaleta, it's nice, and a company like Air 21, it'd be nice to have a guy like KG Canaleta play for you who just glides through the air the way he does.
And remember, this guy is just a rookie, so he's going to be around for quite a while.
You know, we see his awards, of course, Extreme Magic Sing giving awards to KG Canaleta, one of our minors.
He can use that tonight after the game.
Well, you know, that's probably the only place where KG can get a perfect score. Congratulations again to KG Canaleta. A good day for a good day for us today, Coach Norman. Of course, the veterans outpointing the current All-Stars.
Yeah, my apologies to the veterans for coming up with the victory. You know, I picked the young guys. Instead, the veterans were able to pull it off. Ronnie Masaunok, Alvin Patrimonio, and Frankie Lim beating the young guys in the Legends contest.
Well, aside from that, you also have to apologize to this guy that we're going to talk to because you didn't choose him. I chose him, Coach Norman. Paulo, tell KG that Coach Norman didn't choose him.
Okay. Actually, Jason, kahapon pa lang sa rookie-sophomore game, we already chose this guy. Hands down winner, game over. KG, congratulations. Lahat ng mga dunk mo, linabas mo na kanina.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, papasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng lakas para manalo dito sa Slam Dunk.
Alam mo ito si KG, kaya Air 21. Siya na raw magde-deliver na lahat. Lumilipad kasi ito si KG. Any other dunks na hindi mo nilabas? You're reserving them for next year?
Meron yung windmill, hindi ko nagawa kasi medyo parang hindi ko feel parang baka mag-miss ako.
Pero grabe yung mga dunk mo, especially the one from the free throw line. And the very first one nung pinaikot mo doon sa ere. Talagang lahat ng fans dito sa Lawag City, pinasaya mo, KG.
Oo nga Ngayon na nga, nung start pa lang ng mag-precision, parang hindi ko naisip na yung iba yung feeling parang
kinakabahan ka ba o nervyos?
Oo, kinakabahan ako sobra.
All right, KG, again for your fans out there, parting shot.
Yeah, hi sa mami ko, sa sister ko, binabati ko yung mga kababayan ko sa Tarlac, sa Kapas, yung mga relatives ko, mga tito, tita, lola, mga friends ko, ito my cousin.
Alright, maraming salamat. Congratulations, JC. Jason, ano?
Paolo.
Yes, go
Paolo,
ahead.
may tatanong lang ako kay KG. He's still right beside you.
KG, Okay, he's right here. Go ahead.
You know, I would like to find out if KG wants to call out the past 2 dunking champions for next year's Slam Dunk.
Oh, may tanong daw si Jason Webb sa panel natin. Would you like to call out the past 2 Slam Dunk champions para next year? Kayo naman mga kalaban mo.
Ano? sorry.
Kung gusto mo raw imbitahin yung mga past Slam Dunk champions na next year, mag-showdown naman, kayo naman ang sasali sa Slam Dunk next year.
Ayun nga, iniimbita ko yung mga ano ko dyan, fans ko for next year. Ano, titignan ko yung makakaya ko. Mas magandang show siguro yung papakita ko.
Alright, KG, we'll see you again next year in the Slam Dunk competition. Guys, we're left breathless, but there's still a lot in store. North versus South All-Stars. We'll turn you back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Paolo. You know, before we move over to a gap, let's find out how KG Canaleta actually became the 2005 Slam Dunk champion. Let's do a recap. You know, as we see this crowd, Coach Norman, who definitely were entertained today.
Well, you see the final recap there on your screens. KG with 149 points, Enrico with 143. Of course, Enrico will not be inviting Asi Talaba out to dinner tonight for trying to block his dunk. But you know, KG was just in a class of his own in this contest, and he deserved to win this contest hands down.
Coach Norman, a lot of fun we had here today. Like we said, the veterans coming up big. KG Canaleta coming up big. Pero alam nyo, patikim pa lang yan dahil ang pinaka-inaabangan natin, yung mga All-Stars ng North, kalaban ng mga All-Stars ng South, lalabas na pagbalik namin.